Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're covering an exciting topic: regression analysis for data mining. This video is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their data analysis skills or learn the fundamentals of regression. Let's jump right in. First, let's go over the outline of this presentation. We'll begin by understanding input and output features, what they are and how they interact. Then, we'll explore scatter plots and how they can help us analyze relationships between features. We'll define regression models, understand their purpose, and wrap up by learning about predicted values, observed values, and residuals. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of these foundational concepts. Input and output features are the building blocks of regression analysis. Input features are independent variables, meaning they are not influenced by other features. In contrast, output features are dependent variables, affected by changes in the inputs. For example, in a car dataset, the weight of a car, an input feature, impacts fuel efficiency, which is the output. We can visualize this by plotting the input on the x-axis and the output on the y-axis. Now, let's talk about scatter plots. Scatter plots are a fantastic tool to explore relationships between two numerical features. They help us analyze the direction of the relationship, whether it's positive or negative, the form, which could be linear or non-linear, and the strength, whether it's weak or strong. Scatterplots also help us spot unusual instances that don't fit the overall pattern. Regression models are at the heart of data mining. These models predict output features based on input features using a mathematical formula, typically represented as y equals f of x. To evaluate how well a regression model performs, we measure the closeness of the observed and predicted values using residuals, calculated as observed minus predicted values. Here's an example of creating a scatter plot. This code snippet uses Python's matplotlib library to plot the relationship between horsepower and acceleration. It visualizes the data, labeling the axes and adding a title. This gives us a clear picture of how these two features are related. When interpreting scatterplots, we can describe the direction, which in this case is negative, meaning as horsepower increases, acceleration decreases. The relationship form is linear, and its strength is moderately strong. To summarize, input features influence output features, and scatterplots are valuable for revealing the direction, form, and strength of these relationships. Regression models are essential for making predictions and are evaluated using residuals. These techniques have a wide range of applications in prediction and feature analysis. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.